Are you thinking about where to go to reduce or remove those dark spots on your face? If you've had excessive sun exposure after that, you can probably blame that for those dark spots, called hyperpigmentation. But here's the thing, it's not simply external factors that cause those aggravating dark spots on your face as well as body. Aging, acne, pregnancy, prescription medication, and hormone imbalances are several of the other culprits. Today we're going to expose 6 homemade beauty therapies and masks for getting rid of dark spots that you can make from day-to-day ingredients found in your kitchen. By the way, make sure you always do a patch test for sensitivity before applying these natural remedies on your skin. You may expect to notice results within 4 to 6 weeks. Number 1. Aloe Vera Gel. Apply aloe vera juice or natural aloe vera gel directly to the dark areas for 30 minutes in the morning as well as evening. Rinse with lukewarm water and finish off with your preferred serum and moisturizer. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Mix equal amounts of apple cider vinegar as well as water in a bowl. Mix well and apply on the dark areas. You may also try to combine a few drops of lemon juice with the vinegar. An additional recipe is to mix 3 tablespoons of orange juice with 1/2 tablespoon of vinegar. Cleanse with lukewarm water and finish off with your preferred serum and moisturizer. Number 3. Buttermilk. Apply buttermilk to dark areas and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water and finish off with your preferred serum and moisturizer. If you have oily skin or experiencing acne, include a little lemon or lime juice. Wash with lukewarm water and finish off with your preferred serum and moisturizer. Number 4. Lemons. Cut a slice of lemon and softly rub on the affected spot for 10 minutes, morning and evening. If you have sensitive skin, mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of water in a bowl. Dip your cotton pad into the water and apply it on the affected area. Wash with lukewarm water and finish off with your preferred lotion and moisturizer. You'll see a difference in lightness within 2 months. Number 5. Papaya. Peel and extract the seeds from a green papaya. Utilize a blender or food processor up until it forms into a paste. Leave on your face and neck for 20 to 30 minutes in the morning as well as before going to bed. Cleanse with lukewarm water and finish off with your preferred serum and moisturizer. Number 6. Turmeric. Mix 2 tablespoon rice water with 2 tablespoons flour and 1 tablespoon turmeric in a bowl. Dip Q-tip on the bowl and apply it onto dark areas. Leave on for 20 minutes. Cleanse with lukewarm water and finish off with your preferred lotion and moisturizer. You must take a conservative approach with these homemade beauty remedies. Apply a moderate amount to your face and leave it on for a brief amount of time, then work your way up until your skin can handle it. If you feel any type of discomfort, stinging, or a burning sensation, rinse off the combination immediately with lukewarm water. While you are using these natural remedies to diminish dark areas, do your best to limit your sun exposure. Keep in mind that a good sunscreen is a must even in the winter. Thank you for watching the video, hope you found it helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.